Hello and welcome to Fitter with Lynette. In today's video, I will be talking about strength training and recovery for marathon training. To refresh your memory, in my previous video, I had discussed running methods and diet habits. If you haven't yet, please go ahead and check out that video. The link will be right above. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Strength training is an integral part of running injury-free. So please don't skip on it. Here are some examples of lower body and core exercises. Deadlifts strengthen the posterior chain muscles, which are the hamstrings and glutes. Your core should be engaged while lifting the weight, so tuck your tummy in. Lunge and twist helps with building leg strength along with trunk stability. The rotation movement is important for your running form. Single leg Romanian deadlift improves your balance and stability. As you can see here, the ankle muscles really have to work and also your glutes. If you don't feel balanced enough, you can hold on to a wall or a chair. Squats and heel raises strengthen the quadriceps and the calves. Use moderate amount of weight with which you can perform 12 to 15 repetitions easily. Weighted bridge helps improve glutes and pelvic floor strength. Squeeze your buttocks at the top of your bridge and slowly lower down with control. If you're finding this information helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking on the link above. You can also like the video and leave me a comment. Thank you. Last is recovery. Your body has worked so hard that naturally it requires some rest. So take it easy on your rest days. But here are some things that you can do for faster recovery. Foam rolling. It helps with releasing tight and achy muscles. If you don't know how to do foam rolling, here are some examples for you to watch. If foam rolling is not an option for you, try to go in for a massage. I also have a video on trigger point release. The link will be attached in the description of this video. On your recovery days, you can also do activities like swimming, stationary bike, yoga, or going for a walk. After your long runs, if your muscles are very painful and achy, you can try doing ice baths. They can be quite helpful. Let's quickly touch on tapering and what that means. 2 to 3 weeks before your actual marathon, significantly cut down on your training. Reduce your long run distance to 10 to 12 miles. Rest well, sleep well, and eat well. Your body needs to be well rested and recovered properly for the actual marathon. That's the end of my video for today. I hope you enjoyed watching all the tips to running a successful marathon. If you need one-on-one coaching, I will be more than happy to help you. Please fill out the form in the description so I can make a plan specific for you. Thank you for watching everyone. Take care. Bye.